Wanna know how to add an app lock to your app in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So you can just simply add it through the app itself. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up my Messenger application, and on the bottom right side, we should be seeing menu. So you can just simply select menu right here. And once you have selected menu here, you should be seeing settings. Just simply select settings. And once you have selected settings, just simply scroll down a little bit. And once you scroll down enough, here you should be seeing privacy and safety. So just simply select it. So once you have selected privacy and safety, under security, you should be seeing app lock. So just simply select app lock right here. And now just simply enable app lock right here. Just simply add biometrics. So for that, just simply add your new biometric. And you can also set the lock screen from 1 minute 15 minutes to 1 hour, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.